Hello, happy Friday, May 1st, 2020. Welcome, boys and girls, to your very last month of school. In just a short few weeks, you will be first graders. Let's begin today's lesson by remembering what subtraction is. Remember that subtraction means you take away, and your numbers are going to get smaller. I know we've done this video before, but it's a favorite, so let's do it again.
Children's songs, sing and move along. Children's songs, make your brain and body strong. Subtraction, action, this is how you play. Move your body and take away. When you subtract things, you get the difference. Let's do subtraction, move and have fun. 4 bald eagles are gliding through the air. 2 bald eagles fly down and land somewhere. How many bald eagles are gliding through the air? 4 minus 2 equals 2. 3 alligators are swimming in the lake. 2 alligators go on the grass and take a break. How many alligators are swimming in the lake? 3 minus 2 equals 1. 10 fast runners are running in a race. 5 fast runners finish at record pace. How many fast runners are still running in the race? 10 minus 5 equals 5. 8 bodybuilders are pumping up some weights. 5 bodybuilders stop and take a break. How many bodybuilders are still pumping up some weights? 8 minus 5 equals 3. Subtraction, action, this is how you play. Move your body and take away. When you subtract things, you get the difference. Let's do subtraction, move and have fun. If you like this video...
Well, speaking of subtraction and games, today we're going to play a game. Let's read our objectives. Say, I can play a game to practice subtraction fluency. Good job, boys and girls. That's our kindergarten standard 2. All right, today the only materials that you'll need are the number cards we made this past Monday. That's our numbers 0 through 7 that we tore out and cut, and then we made our own on page 4. So make sure you have those cards handy, and let's begin. So first I'll talk through how you play the game, and then you'll see a short video of me playing subtraction action with a partner. So first, you will need a partner today. So maybe your mom or your TT, a big brother or sister, anyone that's home with you right now, ask them if they would play with you. If they won't play with you or they're not able to, that's okay. You can totally play this game on your own. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is shuffle the deck and place the cards face down between you and your partner. Now each player is going to take 2 cards from the top of the deck and place them face up. You're going to subtract the smaller number from the larger number and state the difference. For example, if I had a 5 and a 3, I would say 5 minus 3 equals 2. Whoever has the greater difference takes all 4 cards. So if I was playing with my mom and she got a 4 and I got a 3, which one's bigger, boys and girls, 4 or 3? Good, 4. So my mom would get all the cards and I wouldn't get any of them. You're going to keep playing until there's no more cards in the middle of your pile. And whoever has the most cards with them wins the game. Alright, that was a lot of talking. So now I'm going to show you a little clip of me playing subtraction top it. Girls, I'm going to teach you how to play subtraction top it. For this game, you're going to need your deck of cards that we used on Monday, and then you're also going to need a partner, and I have a partner and read them out loud. 4, 1. So my job is going to be to take the smaller number and subtract it from the bigger number. So if I have 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I take away 1, how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3. Good job. All right, player 2's turn.
6 and 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5.
The player that has the bigger difference or the bigger number at the end gets to keep all the cards. So I had 3 and he had 5. Which number is bigger, boys and girls? 5 or 3? Good job. 5 is bigger. He gets to take all of the cards. Let's play another round. All right. 2 and 3. So I need to take 3 fingers and subtract or take away 2 of those. 1, 2. How many do I have left? You're right, 1. Okay, your turn.
0, 7, 7.
So he had 7 and he took away 0. If you take away 0, you're just left with that number 7. So who has the bigger difference, 7 or 1? Good job. He has the bigger difference. He gets to take all of our cards. You'll keep playing until your deck of cards is gone, and whoever has the most cards at the end in their pile wins the game. At this point, he has the most, and I have no cards. So right now, he's winning, but keep playing because maybe next time I'll win. Have someone at home take a picture of you playing and send it to me on Class Dojo, Parent Square, or text. All right, boys and girls, have a great rest of your day. Bye. So there you saw me playing Subtraction Top It, and you're going to keep playing this game with your partner at home. And remember to share a picture on Class Dojo, Parent Square, or text like I said. And have a great rest of your day, boys and girls. I can't wait to see you again on Monday. Bye!